Hey, all right, this is Bill Jelen. This week, we're talking about formatting chart elements. Well, the trick to being able to format a chart element is just to, first off, click on it. So all of these labels here are running at each other. If we click on the label, see that selects all of the labels in that series. And then we can either right click and choose format, we can double click or control 1 to get to the format data labels. And starting in Excel 2010, this dialog box will stay here as we choose other items. So if I choose series 1, I can change settings for that series. I don't have to close the dialog box. All right, let's see if we can do something about these labels here. Under alignment, text direction, let's rotate all text. There we go. So that's actually going to allow all of those labels to fit up above the item. Now, what if an item is too small to be selected? I have gross profit percent on this chart. I need to move that to a secondary series, and I can't select the column because they're too small to even be seen. Well, that's when we want to come to the Format tab, and this drop down here offers many of the items that can be selected. So I'm going to choose Series Gross Profit Percent, and then come back to my dialog box, plot this on the secondary axis. And at this point, we'll actually close the dialog box. On the Design tab, change the chart type to a line so we can see through, and now we have the gross profit percent visible as well. So anytime that you need to select something, either try and click on it first, use the Format tab drop down, but be aware there's some things that you can actually select that are not in that drop down. For example, I can come here and select the legend. That works fine. The drop down though doesn't let me choose one particular item in the legend. So if I wanted to get rid of gross profit percent, a second click selects it and I could delete. If I want to get rid of this particular data label, first click selects all of the data labels, and then a second click selects that data label, delete, and so on. So be aware there's many things you can select, even things that may not be in that Format tab drop down.